If we see a painting, we know there is a painter. If we see a sculpture, we know there is a sculptor. A pot, a potter. So when we view creation, shouldn't we know there is a creator? Who created you? How do you find your creator? Through science or through science? It is He who created you from dust, then from a sperm drop, then from a clinging clot. Then He brings you out as a child, then He develops you that you reach your time of maturity. Then further that you become elders. And among you is he who is taken in death before that, so that you reach a specified term, and perhaps you will understand. Have those who disbelieve not considered that the heavens and the earth were a joint entity, and we separated them and made from water every living thing? Would they still not believe? He released the two seas meeting side by side. Between them is a barrier, so neither of them transgresses. Through all these signs, how do you know if we have a creator? Look inside yourselves. Who keeps your heart pumping daily? Is it controlled by your brain? Who then created your brain? If we have a creator, then where is he? And indeed we have created man, and we know whatever thoughts his inner self develops, and we are closer to him than his jugular vein. Start questioning yourselves. Think about joy, anger, and pain. You feel them, but can you see them? If you can't see them, does it mean they don't exist? Similarly with our Creator, we may not see Him, yet we know He exists. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. إن في خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف الليل والنهار والفلك التي تجري في البحر بما ينفع الناس وما أنزل الله من السماء من ماء فأحيا به الأرض بعد موتها وبث فيها من كل دابة وتصريف الرياح والسحاب المسخر بين السماء والأرض لآيات لقوم يعقلون. صدق الله العظيم. Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and earth, and the alternation of the night and the day, and the great ships which sail through the sea with that which benefits people, and what Allah has sent down from the heavens of rain, giving life thereby to the earth after its lifelessness, and dispersing therein every kind of moving creature, and His directing of the winds and the clouds controlled between the heaven and the earth, are signs for a people who ponder.